nice to see you all again. Sorry
Hello,
for
Trevor.
only allowing you in now. We had some technical difficulties, but here we are and ready for you guys. Hi, Andy. Awesome.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, guys. Hello. Who's hi, ma'am? Is it Yandisa? Hi, Yandisa.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, guys, we're going to take a few minutes, do the do now, our first 10 questions, and then we'll continue with the rest of the lesson. Look, now I'm moving it. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure I've got the number line in there for you guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you just one more minute and then we're going to start. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to see a lot of dones in the chat. Okay. I'm not sure what I've done. I'm very sorry. Let me see if I can't fix my screen. Okay, there we go. Sure. Guys, I don't know what's going on with my screen today. There we go. Okay, guys, we're going to get started. I hope everybody's week is going okay. Mine is really hectic. I just want to sleep. Can you guys give me an emoji in the chat? Show me how your week's been going so far. I mean, it's still Tuesday, but you guys can send me an emoji to show how your week is going. I'm going to send an emoji too. Let's see. Oh, Alzon is feeling dizzy. This is how I'm feeling today. There's mine. Okay. Whew, I'm very tired. Yeah. Aisha, is that like an annoyed face or a sad face? What kind of face is that? And Olwetu doesn't want to say anything. He's missing a mouth. Yes, Yandisa, I see your hand. How are you?
I'm good, and you, ma'am?
I'm well, thank you. What is your question?
Ma'am, can you please zoom in for since we're gonna mark the questions, I can't see them. Sorry,
Oh,
ma'am.
can you not? Okay, let me move them this way. Okay. Is that a little better? Can you see it a little better now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, awesome. Okay, we're going to start marking from the beginning. And thank you, Yandisa, for unmuting and saying hello. Can you give us the answer for the first one?
I beg your pardon, ma'am?
Can you give us the answer for the first one? 5 plus -2.
+3.
+3, excellent stuff. Okay, can I see some raised hands? Who wants to give me the next answer? Yes, Theo. Let's go. What is 8 plus -7?
+1.
+1, yes, correct. Okay, awesome. Who else? Who else would like to give us an answer? Pumzile, yes. What is 3 plus -7?
-4.
-4, good. Okay. I'm going to have to start picking on people because I'm not seeing any hands. Trevor, how about you answer the next one for us? What is 6 plus -7?
+13.
Oh, remember we are adding a negative number, so we're going to move to the left. So remember your mental number line. We're moving from 7 and we're moving 7 to the left. What number are we going to land on?
-1.
-1, excellent stuff. Awesome. Olwetu, can you give us the next one? 4 plus -4.
0.
0, yes, good stuff. And Aisha, can you give us 7 plus -5?
2.
2, yes, +2 or just 2. Either one of those works for me perfectly. Thank you. Ethan, would you like to give it a try? 4 plus -9. What are we going to land on?
Ma'am, 4
Mhm.
plus 9, 4 plus 9, -9. We would get positive.
Definitely going to be a negative number because we're going to move to the left. What are
Oh,
we going to-
okay.
It's okay.
It would
Would
be
you like someone to help
13.
you?
Ma'am,
Okay, can somebody help him out?
ma'am, it's negative
Ma'am,
5.
can I try?
Ooh, who said ma'am it's -5?
It was me, Trevor.
Oh, awesome. Okay, you're correct, but we're going to get back to how we got there. Okay, Ethan? I'm going to give you another one to try. Okay. Ethan, can you try the next one for us? 9 plus -4.
Ma'am, with that, okay,
We're at +9 and we're moving 4 to the left.
all right, so that would be, it would be positive 13.
Oh, no, remember we're moving to the left. So we're going from 9, 8, 7, 6, and then where will we land?
We would land on -7, sorry, ma'am.
Ooh, Yandisa, can you help him out?
Ma'am, I think,
Ma'am,
Hold on,
ma'am, I think
Yandisa.
I've drawn my thing wrong.
Ma'am, it will land
okay.
on 5, +5.
Yes. Okay, the answer is +5, but we're going to have a look at our number line again. Okay, Ethan, don't lose heart. We're going to have a look again. Okay. Temba, can you give me the next one? 1 plus -5. Is Temba here? I think I saw him here. Or let me ask Tembiso then. Tembiso, 1 plus -5.
-4, ma'am.
Oh, who's answering?
I'm -4.
Oh, I'm getting 2 answers. Yes, but
Maybe
they're
it's
both
Temba.
correct. Yes. Thank you, Temba and Tembiso. -4. Okay. And then let me ask Ntokozo. Can you tell us what's 8 plus -1?
ma'am, can I please help him?
Yes, because I'm not getting an answer. Yes, can you help him?
Ma'am, it's +7.
+7. Well done, Yandisa. Awesome stuff. I'm so glad so many of you guys understand how to do this. I just want to show our number line quickly. Remember, guys, when we're looking at our number line, ooh, let me make this a little bit smaller so we can see our whole number line. Okay. There we go. Okay, it's a little tiny at the moment, but I hope you guys can see it. So remember, if this is our 0 over here, this is our 0 over here, all the negative numbers are going to be on that side. We're going to move to the left, and all the positive numbers are over here. So if our starting point is at a positive number and we're minusing, we're going to move to the left. And if our starting point is at a negative number and we're plussing, we're going to move to the right. But I know that you guys practically have this down. So we're going to do another speed round later on. Okay. Awesome stuff. Okay, let's look at our next exercise. Okay, we're going to be trying these questions. Who can answer these for me?
Ma'am, I would like to answer them.
Okay, remember we raise hands. So everybody must be muted for me, please. And we're going to raise hands. Oh, you know, I need to see some new faces raising hands because I know for a fact that Pumazile knows the answer, and Theo and Tembiso. I have no doubt that the 3 of you know the answers. I want to see if anybody else might know the answers.
Ma'am?
Oh, hand, please. Is it Trevor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trevor, how can I help?
The first question, it's -1.
Oh, okay, -1. Okay. I'll tell you what, you are correct, but you're going to have to explain to me how you got to -1.
Okay, ma'am. So from -4, we go to the left to jump -4 to -3, so that which gave us -1, because it's just jumping one and then you put a negative.
Okay, so if I have my number line, I hope I'm understanding you correctly, right? If I have my number line here, I hope I'm drawing it correctly there. This is my 0 there, and I'm sitting at -4. So I'm going to go -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so if that's my -4, how do I minus -3? How did you get to minus -3?
Ma'am, I just jumped from -4 to -3. So that means it's one.
But remember, Trevor, that my negative numbers move that way. So shouldn't my -3 then be 3 to the left?
Yes.
Shouldn't I then go 1, 2, 3? And then my answer would then be -7 and not. But I did say that your answer is correct. So, very interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer is correct. Who thinks they know how we got to that answer? Okay, I'm going to explain how we get to that answer. Okay, but excellent work, Trevor. Your answer is correct. Okay, let's see if anybody can give me the answers to the rest of the questions, and then we'll get to this. Tembiso, can you tell me what is 3 minus -8? What is the answer?
Ma'am. 3 minus -8 would be sorry. 3. It'll be -11.
Not quite. Okay. Who thinks they know? Who can help us?
It's because what's this? It's not because of adding. It's because of subtracting with a positive number and a negative
We're
number.
We're not subtracting a positive number. We're subtracting a negative number. So, okay. Before we continue, actually, I just want to say hi to Tembani. Hello, Tembani. I think you are Temba's twin. It's nice to meet you. And welcome. I hope that Temba has caught you up on what we're doing. We're trying to solve this mystery that we've got going over here. Okay, so it's not -11. Pumzile, do you think you know the answer?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Tembani.
Yes,
Yes, Pumzile, tell me, what is the answer?
ma'am. To get the answer, the negative and negative has to change into a positive.
Okay, so what would my answer be?
So your answer would be, wait, if a negative and negative.
Positive 11.
Okay, somebody's cheating. Yes, but the answer is positive 11. Yes. But I'm not going to let you off the hook. Who just gave us the answer positive 11?
Njabulo, ma'am.
Hi, Njabulo. Now you get to explain to us, how did we get to positive 11 when I have 2 negatives? How did my negatives then give me a positive number?
Ma'am, since you said that we have to add, if you plus a negative and a negative, you have to get a positive at the end. You have to go to the positive side instead of the negative side and count counting to the right hand side.
Okay, I can see that. Yes, I agree with you. But we don't know that because that's just a mathematical rule that we use. So we can't quite say, yes, that is exactly what it is we're doing. Okay, but you are correct. Can you give me the answer for the last one as well? 6 minus -1, what's that going to give us?
Positive 7.
Positive 7. Okay, so I'm going to explain quickly how we get to these answers because I think some of you guys might be a little bit confused on how we got there. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use counters. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at -4. The number -4, I'm going to look at it as 4 negative counters. So I'm going to write here -1, 2, 3, 4, right? There I go. And from this particular number that I've got here, I want a color that's going to stand out. I'm going to minus 3 negatives. So I'm going to take 3 negatives away. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And how much am I left with there? Ooh, yellow was definitely this bad choice. I'll try again. And then you guys will see that I'm left with just 1 negative. Do you guys see that? And that's how my answer ends up being -1. That's how we get to the answer -1. Okay. But let's look at this one over here. Let's look at the next one that we've got. We've got 3 over here. And now 3 is positive. Remember, if there's no sign in front of it, then we have a positive. Right? So I've got positive 1, 2, 3. Right? And then I'm going to now have to minus 8 negatives, but I don't have 8 negatives. So what am I going to do in this case? Okay. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to write 8 in a specific way. Okay, or I'm going to add 8 zeros. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to write plus and a minus, and that gives me 0. Why can I say that? Who can tell me why I can say a plus and a minus is going to give me 0? Stembiso, can I pick on you because your hand is still up?
I forgot to take it down, ma'am.
That's okay. Do you know the answer to the question? Why can I say plus and minus? Why can I say that these two put together, why can I say they're equal to 0? Why can I say that?
They're not even to each other.
Yes, they're not equal to each other, but how do they equal 0? Who thinks they can help? Who can let us know? Okay, let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. This plus counter stands for +1, right? And this negative counter stands for -1. What is +1 minus 1? How much am I going to get?
0.
I'm going to get 0. Do you guys see that? Okay, are we all on the same page? Yes, okay, we're going to get 0. So that's how I can say that a plus and a minus put together are going to give me 0. Okay, now this is 1, 0, but I want to add 8 of them because I want to get to this 8 over here. So I'm going to add another one, 2. Wait, let me erase that. 2, another 3, 4, 5,
No, the
6, 7. I can hear somebody already telling me that they know the answer, 8. Okay. Who just said that they know the answer? I heard that. Okay, guys, remember you have to mute yourself if you're not speaking. Okay. Can I continue explaining? Or who can help me? What am I going to do next? Aisha, do you have an idea of what I'm going to do next?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's look at this. What are we doing? We are minusing 8, right? So what am I going to do? Which one am I going to cancel? The positive or the negative numbers, counters? What do you guys think? If we're subtracting -8, which counters am I going to take away? The positive ones or the negative ones? Which one am I taking away?
The negative ones.
Yes, the negative ones. How many of them?
3.
Oh, not 3. How much are we minusing?
Oh, 8.
8. We're minusing 8 of them. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do I have left? I've only got positive numbers. How many of them? How many positive counters do I have left?
8.
Oh, no, count them.
8.
All of them? No, 1,
11.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8, ma'am.
9, 10,
11.
11.
Oh,
We're forgetting the other ones as well, right? So
ma'am,
that is
I
how
didn't
our
count the
answer,
numbers.
see, this is how our answer gets to positive 11. Do you guys see that? Okay, but you guys are correct. What we do notice, I think it was Njabulo who said, he said to us that if we take a negative number, oh, I'm gonna move that, hold on. If we take a negative number and we minus a negative number, it's the same thing as adding a positive. Okay. Can I get a thumbs up in my chat if you guys understand what I'm saying? Okay.
We understand, ma'am.
Do you guys understand? Remember, I'm getting
Yes,
a
ma'am.
smiley face. Can I get emojis? Everybody mute and emoji, like a thumbs up if we understand. Yes? Okay, so that tells me that a negative and a negative is going to equal a positive. So if anywhere we see, let's say, for instance, -1 minus -3. If I see it like that, then I know that this, oh, let me write it properly a little bit. I know that this negative and that negative are going to give me a positive. Okay, and we're going to add. All right, I'm seeing everybody's understanding. Excellent, amazing stuff. Okay, now we're all going to mute because we're going to go for our speed round, and this round is going to be time. We're going to get another 2 minutes. Okay, so everybody's on mute. I'm going to start my timer. Okay. All right, is everybody ready? Yes, ready, let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
I'm almost showing you guys the answers. No answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? Everyone muted. And remember, when you're done, everybody's in focus mode. So we're not going to disturb each other. We're just going to put a done in the chat. All right? Everybody muted?
Yes, ma'am.
Set, go.
Ma'am, I'm having trouble with my Zoom and it doesn't want to work properly.
Oh, okay. Can we have a chat about it afterwards, please, Ethan?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. I'll give you guys an extra 5 seconds there. Hands up, everyone, pens down, no more writing. That is it. Okay, oh my goodness, guys. Can I tell you, Theo finished in 43 seconds. Absolutely just mind-blowing, dude. Amazing stuff. Wonderful. I can't believe it. You are okay, but I'm going to check. I'm going to make sure that you have the right answers. Okay, Theo? So pressure's on you now. Are you ready? You're going to give us some of the answers. Okay? First 4 are on you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's go. Number 1, negative 15 minus 14. How much are we going to get?
Negative 29.
Negative?
29.
Yes, excellent. Negative 29. Okay, then the next one is 2 minus negative 8. How much is that going to give me?
Positive 10.
Positive 10. Amazing. Okay, next one. Negative 5 minus 15.
Negative 20.
Negative 20. And then negative 5 minus 10.
Negative 15.
Oh, negative 15. I'm going to give you a standing ovation, but I can't stand. Otherwise, I'm going to go off screen. So just pretend I'm standing. Woo, yeah. Awesome stuff. Amazing. Okay, guys, remember, this stuff is important. It's important that you're fast, but it's also important that you are correct. So amazing stuff. Well done, Theo. Let's see if you're going to get 10 out of 10 for this one. Okay. Let me ask Yandisa, I see your hand and I'm going to come back to you. I want to see if Baja can give me the next answer. 13 minus negative 2. What am I going to get? Baja, are you there? Oh, he's not unmuting. Okay. Let me try Temba. Temba, can you give us the next 2 answers? I'm going to get to you, Yandisa, don't worry. Temba, can you tell us 13 minus negative 2? How much is that going to give us?
Positive 15.
Positive 15. Amazing stuff. Okay, and the next one, 12 minus negative 4. What am I going to get?
Positive 16.
Positive 16. See, guys, this is easy. Easy stuff. Yandisa, give me the next 2. Negative 8 minus negative 12.
Positive 4.
Oh, you rock star, you. Amazing stuff. Awesome. And the next one, negative 1 minus 7. What am I going to get?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. I knew you were going to give me the correct answers. Amazing stuff. Okay. I'm going to pick out Jada. I can see that your audio is not working. And that is a shame because I actually want to pick on you. I'm not sure how to do that. Let's ask Tembiso. Can you give us negative 2 minus negative 4?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Negative 2 minus negative 4.
Yes.
That would be negative 6, ma'am.
Oh, no. Remember, a negative and a negative is going to give me a positive. So what I'm actually looking at here is negative 2 plus 4. How much is that going to give me? Remember, mental number line, I'm at negative 2 plus, move to the right 4 times. Where am I going to land?
3, ma'am.
No. Anybody want to help him? Aisha, can you help?
Ma'am, can I help her? Oh.
Ooh. Hands? Or I'm going to ask Aisha specifically to help me with this one. Aisha, do you have any idea?
Negative 1.
Ooh, not quite. Who else can help us here?
Ma'am, can
Tabby
I
Singh? Let me ask Tavi Singh. Tavi Singh's been quiet this whole lesson. Tavi Singh, can you give us the answer? Oh, why isn't Tavi Singh so quiet? I can't. Well, I hope she's here. Okay. Oh, let me ask Tembani. Is Tembani still here? Are you here? Yes, Tavi Singh, answer. Yes, -2 minus -4. What's that going to give us?
Negative. It's negative. Negative.
Oof, okay.
Ma'am, can I
This
help?
one seems to be a little hard. Who
Ma'am,
said,
can I
ma'am,
help?
can I help? Who can help?
Me, ma'am. Ma'am, please help, ma'am.
Okay, is that in Jabulo?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
Ma'am,
let's
it's
ask
somebody.
let's ask in
Tembani,
Jabulo.
ma'am.
Let's ask in Jabulo for this one. Okay, Jabulo, can you give us an answer?
+6, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, guys, why is this question so
Ma'am, may I
difficult?
please?
Not
Ma'am,
positive.
can I
Ma'am, may I please
try?
try, ma'am?
Oh,
Ma'am, may I please try, ma'am?
everyone,
Tembani, ma'am.
mute, everyone mute. Okay, I'm going to pick on somebody who I haven't picked on before. Where is Tembani? Tembani, are you here with us?
Ma'am.
Tembani, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you give us the answer to this question?
+4. +2, ma'am.
Yes, amazing. Oh,
+2.
wonderful. Yes, 100%.
Ma'am.
Yes, amazing. I'm so proud of you. And this is your first lesson with us. Awesome stuff. I'm so glad that you understand. Okay, can you give us the answer to the last one? -8 minus 7.
-15.
Ooh, number,
-15.
somebody's cheating. Kimbani, what was that?
-15.
-15. Oh, such a rock star. Amazing stuff. Well done. Okay, this one was a bit of a difficult one. So I have a feeling our do now on Thursday is going to look something like this. Okay, so it's going to take quite a lot of practice from all of us, okay? But if you do understand, who can tell me how much did we get out of 10? Can we drop that in the chat quickly? And then we're gonna quickly run over to the next exercise because we might be running out of time. How much did you guys get out of 10? Who can tell me? In the chat, I see Oluwetu got 10, Yandisa got 10 out of 10. Anyone else? Temba, Dumelo, I haven't heard from you. Tabi saying, how much did you get? Jabulo got 9. Aisha got 9.
8.
Ooh, somebody got 8. Awesome. Theo, how much did you get?
All right, ma'am.
You get them all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome stuff. I'm so glad. Okay. All of you guys who got 10 out of 10, I'm so proud. And those of you who didn't quite get 10 out of 10, we need to remember to always practice. Okay, because we not only have to get our answers correct, we have to get them as quick as possible. So we're going to practice those. Okay, we're going to do a quick pyramid. Who can tell me how pyramids work? Okay, or I might be running out of time. I may have to explain them to you. Okay. Okay, so in a pyramid, we're going to look at the difference. So we're looking at the difference. I hope we all know what difference means. The difference or the distance between each of these. So what is the difference between 7 and 9? And what I mean by this is think about your hands. Remember, we're going to mute and we're going to raise hands. What I mean by this is if I have my mental number line and I'm sitting at -7, how many times do I need to jump to get to +9? Do a quick mental calculation. Oh, I'm also calculating. Hold on.
Ma'am, I think I know the answer.
Okay, remember to raise your hand. Oh, now I have to start all over. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Was
think I know the
that,
answer.
hold on.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
think I know the answer, ma'am.
Okay, I think as a rule, if you unmute without my calling, I'm going to call someone else. How about that? Because we're forgetting classroom rules, hey? Okay, all the way to, can you tell us the difference between -7 and 9? How much do we have there? Okay, if you're having trouble with your mic, can you please just write the answer in the chat for me? Because I can't quite hear you at the moment. Oh, remember, I'm speaking to Olwetu. If anybody unmutes, we're going to have a bit of an issue. Oh, okay, Olwetu says -2. Not quite. I have someone in the class called Ifalashu. I think it's the first time I'm seeing you, Ifalashu. Welcome. Do you think you have the answer for me?
Ma'am.
Oh, Dumelo, remember we are muted. Okay, please raise your hand and then I'll be able to call on you. Ifalashu, if you can't unmute, then can you type your answer in the chat for me? Oh, okay, she might be taking a bit long. Okay, Theo, do you think you can help us here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? How much?
16.
+16, yes. Okay, so this is +16. Okay, then I've got the difference between 9 and 6. Okay, I'll ask Temba or Tembani, either one of you. Can you give me the answer? The difference between 9 and 6.
Ma'am, -3. Wait, no, 3, ma'am. 3, +3.
Are you sure?
Yeah, ma'am, +3.
Positive, is it +3 or -3? Which one is it?
Ma'am, I think +3.
Negative.
Not quite. Okay, why do I say not
Ma'am,
quite?
can I answer? Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, so I'm starting at 9. 9 is my starting point. Which way am I going to move? To my?
Ma'am, to your right.
Oh, I'm at 9. I'm going to
your
6.
left.
Where am I moving?
To your left. Left.
Left, ma'am.
Ma'am, left.
Oh.
Yes, we're moving to the left. How many times did we move to the left?
Ma'am, 3 times.
3 times. So my answer should be?
-3.
-3. Good. Okay, now we're at 16. Thank you very much, Temba and Tembani. Let me ask Jabulo. I'm at 16 and I'm going to -3. What is the difference?
That's why.
Jabulo, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still calculating.
Okay, that's great. Use your mental number line. Go for it. Oof, might be running out of time.
+13.
Oh, okay, I'm at 16 and I'm moving to -3. How many times, if to get to -3, where would I?
Negative
Yandisa
30.
says, okay, Yandisa says she's confused. Yandisa, can you unmute for me and let me know how you're confused?
Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, I'm confused. Ma'am. I don't know how y'all got to negative 16 because I was just doing my methods here on the side, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I'll write it on the side. Let's do this. Okay, so I've got 9, right? Plus, we can plus or minus something. Plus something is equal to 6. What integer am I going to put in that circle there to get to 6?
3.
Oh, 9 plus 3 is going to give me 12.
Oh.
So which integer do I need to put in there? Pumuzile, can you help us?
Ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Where exactly are we looking at? 16 minus 3 or 9 plus?
9 plus something gives us 6.
The answer is negative 3.
Negative 3, yes, because 9 plus negative 3 will give us 6. Are you seeing that? Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I think I'm doing the wrong thing here. Hold on. Oh, wait. I need to backtrack here. Oh, because we're looking at the difference, I'm the one who's doing it wrong. It is the other way around. I think Yandisa is correct here. So we are doing it the other way around. Okay. So it needs to be 6 minus 9 because we're doing the difference, and difference is minus. 6 minus 9, Yandisa, what is that? Yandisa, do you have the answer to that question? Six minus 9 is going to give us?
3.
Negative 3. Remember, it's positive 6 minus 9 will give us negative 3. You see that? Okay, which means in this question over here, we are going to have to do the difference, which is negative 3 minus 16. And how much is that going to give us?
9.
Ooh, nope.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, of course.
Negative 19, if I'm correct.
Yes, you are correct, 100%.
Negative 19, ma'am.
That's negative 19. Okay, we're going to run out of time, and I think we need to go to our number chain, okay? Because I want us to get through that today, okay? So, okay, we're going to go through one more of these. I don't know what happened to my little templates that were hiding my answers. Let me just see what's going on here. Okay, remember guys, we are muted. Everyone is muted, so make sure please that you are on mute. Okay, and I'm going to give you guys another 2 minutes. Everyone ready? Set, go. Okay, time up, pens down. We're going to mark. Okay. Dumelo, I know you are itching. You're itching to answer for me. So let's go. The first 4 answers very quickly. Okay. Let's go. First one, negative 10 minus 9. Come, Dumelo.
Negative 19.
Negative 19. Awesome. Next one, 7 minus 11. Oh, if we're still calculating, I'm going to move on. I need someone to give me quick answers. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yandisa, you are up.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Awesome. Next one. 7 minus negative 15. How much is that?
Positive 22.
Positive 22. Awesome. Next. Negative 7 minus 9.
Negative 16.
Negative 16. Awesome. Theo, are you with me? Negative 13 minus 1.
Negative 14.
Negative 14. Awesome. Negative 5 minus 1.
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Amazing. Temba and Tembani. 1 minus 10.
Negative 9, ma'am.
Negative 9.
Okay, awesome. Next one. 5 minus 6.
Negative 1.
Oh, you guys are awesome. Same mind. I hear it. I hear it. Pumuzile, 14 minus 9.
5.
Awesome. Okay, 1 minus 6.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Okay, I'm glad that you guys' brain are working a little bit faster. Remember, we do want to be fast, but if you're still stuck and can't quite get to the answer, it's okay to slow down. Okay, but remember the idea is to get all your questions right and to get it correct. I mean, to be a little bit faster, sorry, to get all your questions right and to be fast. Okay, let's do a number chain very, very quickly. We're going to do this. I want you guys to shout out the answers for me. Remember, we're going to go very fast. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to start at the beginning. I'm going to have negative 5 plus 2.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Awesome. Negative 3 minus 4. What am I going to get?
Negative 7.
Okay, I don't want to hear the same voice over and over. Negative 7 minus 1.
Negative 7.
Negative 8.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. I heard that. Okay, negative 8
Negative
minus
8.
minus negative 2. So my minus and my minus are going to give me a plus. So negative 8
Plus 6, ma'am.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative
Awesome.
6, ma'am.
Negative 6 plus negative 2. How much is that?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Awesome. Plus 5.
Negative 3.
Negative 8 plus 5.
Negative 3.
Ooh, now here's a tricky one. We are going from negative 3 to 2. What is my sum in the middle? What am I doing? Am I adding or am I minusing?
Negative 5, ma'am. Negative
Ooh,
5.
if I minus 5, I'm going to get to negative 8. Remember? So because my 2 is positive, I
Ma'am,
need to
it's
add
5.
something.
Ma'am,
How much am I
positive
adding?
5.
No.
Plus 5.
The answer's here.
Plus 5. Okay, which will give me 2. 2 plus 10.
It's on 12.
Positive 12. Positive 12 minus 8.
4. Positive 4. Positive
4,
4.
ma'am. Positive 4,
Okay,
ma'am.
and Disa, I'm going to ask you to mute yourself because you're giving me all the answers. Let's give someone else a chance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. You're doing great. Okay. Positive 4 minus negative 6. Who can give me the answer?
Plus 10, ma'am.
Negative 10.
Positive 10. Thank
Plus
you.
10.
I, ma'am, don't know. I'll answer the rest.
No, that's fine. We need to give other kids a chance as well. Okay. Now my answer is 0. So how do I get from plus 10 to 0?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Awesome. Because 10 minus 10 will give us 0. Okay. 0 plus 5.
5.
Positive
5,
5.
ma'am.
Minus 1.
4.
4, ma'am.
Positive
Six.
4.
4.
Minus 3.
1.
How many fingers are
Mm,
missing?
Plus 1.
1, ma'am.
Minus something plus something is equal to 2.
3.
3, ma'am. 2. What? 1.
Hey.
How do I get to
Plus 1 plus
2? How do
1
I
is
get to 2? My answer is
Negative
plus
Plus 1.
1.
1, ma'am. Plus 1, ma'am.
Plus
Plus
1.
1, ma'am.
Good. And that gives me to 2. 2 minus positive 3.
And
I'm subtracting a negative number.
negative 1, ma'am. Negative 1.
Negative
Negative
1.
1, ma'am.
Awesome. Negative 1 plus 4.
3.
Positive 3.
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
Okay. Show me in the chat, everyone. How did that feel? Who was dizzy? Who was what was going on? Who was lost? Who understood? Give me an emoji, guys. Okay, remember, you need to mute yourself and give me an emoji. Thanks to Melo.
Emoji.
Yeah, I know. I could see Jada was with us the entire time. Awesome stuff. Stembisa says he was okay. Who was completely lost and understood nothing that just happened? Yes, you're correct, Pumzile. It was so fast, you needed a really fast mind. Okay, lucky for you guys, this isn't a speed round, so you guys can take it easy in this round. Okay. Yes, your mind must have been like blown out of here. Okay, guys, we are out of time. I don't think we're going to get to our puzzle today. I'm so sorry. But we are going to be able to do the puzzle completely on Thursday. Okay, I'm hoping that. I'm going to hand over to Alzan. I'm so sorry, Alzan. I'm working into your time here. I'm sorry about that.
No, Coco, this is so important, and I can see the kids are really enjoying it. So grade 7s, well done. I really enjoyed the class with you guys today. I'm not sure if you all saw my message. I'm just quickly gonna read. Good job for all of you. Something I just want you guys to remember is when you see that you. Oh wait, everyone is muted. Okay. So in the future, if you see that you have finished your answers before the rest and you see that there's still a bit of time left, then I want you guys to double check your answers, okay? So that you are certain that you have the correct answers, like Coco said. And then also, I know we had some fast answers going on today and we had to think swiftly, but that only comes with time and a lot of practice, okay? So something I really, really want to encourage you guys with is to continue to practice. If you feel you weren't on the ball tonight, that's okay. There's still a lot of time left to help you guys get more confident in your maths, okay? So let me share with you guys what you can do when you're not on the live lesson. You can do your revision work. So something that I'd like to show you guys is you've done 3 lessons with Coco. Give yourselves a hand clap. We're so proud of you guys. I hope you guys can see the horse. This horse is just to show that he's keeping on running, and like this horse, I'm sure that you all are running to finish the race strong. Hey. Okay, and then what's revision work to do? So on the Watobe app, you can again go into the integers, and then you will see that there's a subtopic called calculate with integers. Right underneath there, you'll find your revision work before Thursday. It's called subtracting a negative is adding a positive. Okay, so jot it down, take a picture, take a screenshot, and then we are looking forward to see who's going to make the leaderboard for Thursday, okay? Guys, that's all from my side. Thank you so much for attending. You guys are awesome. Keep up the hard work. Well done. Bye-bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of your
Bye,
evening. See you on
ma'am.
Thursday.
Bye, man.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm very proud of you guys. Well done. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.